Okay, this street is called Avenida de Rodrigo Rodrigues, and got this giant thing right here. So I'm going to show you more in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida de Rodrigo Rodrigues. You got this Rio Casino. You have this kind of cool stuff, and it goes all the way down. And then you can also see this pass. So all the cars can, some of them can go. This kind of blocks kind of typical Macau from this area called Zape. And Zape has some of the, I call them like lower end casinos, a little bit cheaper casinos. So like that Rio, like all these ones will have pretty low priced hotels if you're looking for an area of that with kind of cheaper casinos as well. A lot of people are on, a lot of kids are going through. I don't know if I want to bring my camera down here or not, but that's the way I'm going to be going, is down that way in a minute. So, okay. So that's that one. And I also want to draw attention to this little thing up there. Let's see if we can just get across here a little bit. Oh, you can't see. I was gonna try to. A lot of people walking today. Okay. So we're gonna kind of keep walking. There's a big school. I'm gonna turn. So that's the street we were just on, Avenida de Rodrigo Rodrigues, and we're still kind of walking it. I wanted to get by the school. I didn't want to focus on that. But let's just kind of show you some cross streets. There's schools everywhere, but this is kind of, if you want to get up to that spot, there's a January Hospital, and there's a way to get up there as well. But we're not going to focus on that right now. We are going to focus on our street. And I'm going to go down a little bit further to this Macau Art Garden, which is coming up, which is also on the street. There's also some Royal supermarket that I wouldn't mind. I know a lot of people want me to show them grocery stores, but I can't really bring a camera in them. But anyways, I'm gonna go in that one, so I can't bring the camera in, sorry guys. Okay, we're gonna continue down the same street here. There've been a lot of interruptions. Wanted to avoid all the kids because it's like, but that's that one where we started right down there. So we're gonna keep going a little bit. It's gonna do this Macau Art Garden, and then probably gonna end the video in a minute. Yeah, I did film in here a long time ago. Sometimes I'd film and I'd but it's kind of a cool building, so let's just take a look at it real quick. Macau Art Garden. You got some artwork in it. It's like apartments up there too. Huh. And it looks like there's people eating lunch as well. If you park here, we will lock your motorbike. Where all the people park here. No parking. Okay, so there's the Macau Art Garden. Looks pretty cool. Motorbikes everywhere in there. It's another school. Escalator. So, okay. It's a pretty cool building though. Okay, let's keep on going. So this one is an overpass that goes up to the other side. I'm gonna go a little bit further. More motorbikes. And I guess I'll let you know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go to the China visa office. Might try to go into mainland China if I can. But I need to apply for another visa again too, so. You got these kind of giant things too. Okay, so I think what we'll do is we'll just end it at this. Oh, there's all the scaffolding too. I don't know if you see all the scaffolding in Asia. Basically looks like this. You can climb up there. What kind of building? And could go that way, of course. I'm just gonna end it right here. So that's the end of our street that we're gonna film. Okay, we're gonna finish this street right here. It's a pretty good view. Actually, I took one of these overpasses. I was telling you about how hard it is to get from one area to the other, right? So, but you can take these overpasses. Most of Macau is not like that, but this area is pretty bad that way. You know, you just can't cross over very easily. So it's so it kind of makes you, like, if you lived over here, well, if you lived right here, you'd be fine. You could just take this, get over real quick. Yeah, actually, the apartment's pretty close, right? But anyways, this is, you just kind of walk down that street. There's a bunch of kids on their lunch break as well. Anyways, it's kind of interesting buildings. So we're gonna end it right there. Hope you liked it. Okay, I'm gonna film a little bit more. Still in the same street, so it's a kind of cool looking restaurant. So we're just gonna kind of go down a little bit more. Then this is that restaurant right there. So we still have our main street. We were just up there a minute ago. We're gonna come on down a little bit here. Yeah, this street looks pretty cool. This whole restaurant right there. That one. So we're gonna, so this is the street. We basically came down that street. Went, that's Macau Art Gardens over by that scaffolding. Kind of went down this way, and then we stopped, I think we stopped over there, and then I kind of turned it on in this spot right here. And that's this kind of restaurant as well. Okay. Let's explore a little bit more. So now we're on the other side of the street, and I don't know, maybe it looks a little bit different when you go down to the opposite way. But we're going to conclude in a minute. There's a police station, and also I want to just kind of show you the sign as well. And that's the police station. I don't know if I should film it, so I'll try to leave it alone, but that's where it's at. Poseidon statue. Okay. Waterfront duet. So that's our little, that's down there is Lisboa Casinos. Lisboa Casinos. Kind of cool apartments there. Okay, I think we're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.